Bikini yoga refers to yoga practice that are often promoted or performed in a bikini, typically in tropical or beachside environments, focusing on improving body confidence, flexibility, and strength. However, the essence of bikini yoga is not different from traditional yoga in terms of its physical and mental benefits. Practicing yoga in a bikini is often about embracing and loving your body, regardless of its shape or size. It promotes self-acceptance and confidence by showing that you can enjoy and appreciate your body, no matter what form it takes. Many of the poses associated with bikini yoga focus on strengthening the core, such as boat pose and planks, and enhancing flexibility. Flexible body is not only beneficial for fitness, but also for feeling comfortable and confident in swimwear. Sun salutations. This is a common sequence in beach or outdoor yoga classes. Sun salutations help to warm up the body, improve circulation, and build endurance. The movements work all parts of the body, including the arms, legs, and core, and are typically part of a full-body workout. As with all forms of yoga, bikini yoga emphasizes mindfulness, breathing, and staying present in the moment. The goal is to connect your mind with your body, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a more positive body image and mental clarity. While bikini yoga can be done anywhere, it is often performed outdoors, especially at the beach or by a pool. The natural environment adds a calming and refreshing element to the practice, enhancing the sense of relaxation and grounding. Certain yoga poses can stimulate digestion and promote detoxification by stretching the spine and massaging internal organs. This type of yoga helps with overall health and vitality, which may be a focus for people preparing for summer or a beach holiday. Bikini yoga is not about showcasing a particular body type or aesthetic, but is rather about embracing body positivity, boosting confidence, and practicing yoga in a fun, relaxed environment. Whether you're doing it on the beach, by the pool, or at home, the benefits of bikini yoga are aligned with the broader goals of yoga practice, improving physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual balance.